Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch between light and dark mode on Roblox. So basically, you will need to go to the More section and you will need to go to Settings, go to Device Preferences, and here's where you can change the device level theme. So this is what the light one looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. I don't know how people can do this, but it's fine. And then there's also the dark one, the dark mode, and the system one, which I think my system is on light mode, but I prefer the dark mode. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. Super simple, just in case you want to change it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.